We'll guide you through how to use a VPN on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on an iPhone, and so you want to go and add and use a VPN. We're going to guide you through this step by step. Perhaps you need to go and use a VPN for your class or your workplace, and so you've been given details which you need to go and add onto the iPhone to connect, or you're looking for details to go and use as well. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure it's full guide and don't go and skip anything. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this video, so make sure it's full guide. So a VPN is a virtual private network, and it will go and make a tunnel for your internet and traffic basically. So if you've already got your details for it, then great. If you haven't, I've gone and used a site like VPNgate to find details, but there are other sites out there as well. Now what you want to do is we need to go and select the address here, so we can tap and hold it. Then what you can do is we can just go and highlight it like so, and then you can go and press copy. After you've gone and copied that, what you need to do is open up your settings. We then need to go and scroll down, and you want to go and find the option for general. And then what you want to do is you want to go down, and we need to go and find the option for VPN and device management, and you can tap there. Now, what you want to do is go and tap VPN, and you can tap Add VPN Configuration. At the top here, you can press Type and choose it. So for this, we need to use L2TP. Now, your provider should have told you what use. Because I'm using the one I'm using LT2P. But if your workplace or your school has one, they'll tell you the type. For the description, I just go and type in VPN. You can name it workplace or school. Now the server is we go and paste in the IP or the domain there, so you can tap and press paste. For the account, this could be different for your school or workplace. With the one I'm using, it's simply just VPN, like so. Then we can go and tap password, and we can go and type that in. For this one, it's also just VPN, and for secret, it's VPN as well. As I said, these details will be different depending upon your VPN you're using. After you've done that, I don't change the rest of it. And what you can then do is go and press the tick. And you've now added it there. And what you can then do is try switching it on. It's now connecting. Just be patient. And you'll know it's connected, as that will go and change to connected. And also when we go and look in the top right as well, it should go and say VPN. Just go and be patient. And it now says connected. And it says VPN at the top here, as you can see. If we drag down, it'll go and say VPN there, and that is it. So you've now connected to it, and that's it. So if you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.